There's a melody that only we both know. Whispers in the night, calling out your name. My heart's a stage and you're the one to blame. To the moon and back, I'm lost in your sound. In a world of dreams, you're the best I've found. So hold me tight, let's dance in the dark. With every beat, you ignite this spark. With every kiss, you pull me down deep. In this mystic rhythm, the secrets we keep. Stars align above, like they knew from the start. You're my rock star love, playing notes in my heart. To the moon and back, I'm lost in your sound. In a world of dreams, you're the best I've found. So hold me tight, let's dance in the dark. With every beat, you ignite this spark. Oh. Through the ups and downs, you're my stay tuned. Chasing shadows, we rise with the moon. Every moment fleeting, but forever it stays. In the echoes of love, we'll find our own way. Every heartbeat, a whisper of what could be. In this cosmic wonder, it's just you and me. Oh, to the moon and back, I'm lost in your sound. In a world of dreams, you're the best I've found. So hold me tight, let's dance the dark. With every beat, you ignite this spark. So let's rise away.